Hello, my name is Valerie and I will be showing you how to draw an anime-like head. First thing you want to do is draw a circle. After you draw a circle, you want to draw a line that goes a little past the circle, about right there. After you do that, you want to add some guidelines. Right here will be eyes, nose, mouth. And then about near the edge of the circle, you want to make a line about not too long, but not too short. Then you want to do the same thing on the other side. After that, you want to curve them until they meet this point. Bind them together. Maybe this one a little too long. Like so. Then you usually want to do your eyes first before you do the hair, because you want to make it so the hair can go with the eyes instead of you having to draw the eyes afterwards. It would be harder that way since of all the lines with the hair. So I will erase a lot and redraw a lot occasionally. There. So after that, you want to make your guidelines a bit more defined on where you want your eyes, mouth, and nose. So how I do the eyes is I will usually make more narrow eyes. You want to make a small line right here, a little bit of a bigger line right there for more narrow eyes. And you connect them like so. And then we'll do the same on the other side. After that, you usually want to add your nose. So what I usually do is depending on which way the character is facing, I'll either do a line, which is what I'm going to be doing, or I make a line and do a little bump like that. But I'm just doing a line. Usually do a line, add a couple lines, and then nostrils. Then you can add any facial expression for a mouth you'd like. I usually do a smile, so I would make little, I don't know what you'd call these. They look like little seeds. I guess you can call them seeds. So use them for basically the tips of the mouth. That's kind of lopsided, but that's fine. That you want to add your pupils. You can make your pupils any size you like. I usually make them fairly big, but not too big. Then you can add a pupil if you like. I usually add a pupil, but you can. So I'll add a pupil. That, and that'll be colored black later. That, and that'll be colored black later. They have the main expressions. After that, you can also do ears if you want, or you can just do hair, but I will usually do ears. Just want to make a little loop like that, and then it goes out until about like here. Make it a bit rounded if you'd like. And then you pull it back in and circle it down. It's ear one. I'm probably gonna have this ear covered. Then you can make like little things to make the ear look more like an ear. Like so. And then you can add whatever hairstyle you'd like. I'm gonna do my regular wavy sort of hair. So a simple hairstyle, like so. I guess I'll add a little bit of an ear. Just like that. And then after that, you can erase you can either keep or erase the lines you have for the eye inside the hair. But it's but I usually prefer to erase it. So then you can add little hair things inside it. You can either add more hair down near the ears, because that's, people usually have some down there, and add a neck. You can define some of the details a bit more. And you can color the pupil in, it being black or any color you'd like. And depending on gender of your character, or no gender, you can add neck details if you want. I usually add neck details. You also want to have the shoulders as well. Something like that. You can add a shirt. Like that. Then there you go. A simple anime head. This is the final sketch. It took about 1 hour, and that includes the sketching it, outlining, and coloring. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.